Welcome to Barcelona. Barcelona, a city of rich history, stunning architecture, and lively culture. Millions of visitors flock here each year to see its famous sights. But what if I told you there's a whole other side to Barcelona waiting to be discovered? In today's video, we're going to take you off the beaten path and reveal Barcelona's best-kept secrets. Hidden gems only the locals know about. First up, Bunkers del Carmel. While most head to Park Güell for city views, locals know that this spot offers one of the most breathtaking panoramic views of Barcelona. And it's free. Originally built as an anti-aircraft bunker during the Spanish Civil War, today it's the perfect place to watch the sunset and soak in the city's skyline. Next, we're in the Elborn district, known for its art and culture. But if you venture deeper into its winding alleys, you'll find hidden gems like small artisan shops, quiet cafes, and centuries-old buildings. Don't miss Carrer de la Lada Vermell, where you'll stumble upon local street art and quaint little corners that feel untouched by time. Most visitors rush through the Gothic Quarter, but there's so much more than meets the eye. Hidden behind these ancient walls are secret courtyards like this one, Plaça Sant Felip Neri. It's a peaceful escape from the busy streets where you can relax and enjoy the quiet atmosphere surrounded by history. You can't experience Barcelona without indulging in some tapas. But forget the tourist traps. Head to Bar Celta Pulperia, a hidden gem serving up some of the best Galician-style octopus in town. Located in a modest corner of the Gothic Quarter, this spot is where locals gather for authentic no-frills tapas. For a moment of tranquility, head to Jardins de Rubio y Luc. Tucked away near the Barcelona Library, this secret garden is a green oasis amidst the hustle and bustle. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a peaceful afternoon under the shade of the orange trees. For history buffs, Barcelona hides something truly remarkable. El Refugi 307. This underground bomb shelter built during the Spanish Civil War offers a fascinating glimpse into the city's wartime past. It's a moving experience that few visitors even know about. So next time you find yourself in Barcelona, don't just follow the guidebooks. Step off the main roads and explore its hidden corners. You'll be surprised at what you uncover.